that is, I am on the prosecution side. Prosecution seeks the permission to present the case. Prosecution cases. The prosecution case is that the police station in charge of civil line Jabalpur received an information from the informer that the person Ramesh Babu, resident of Panchpati, has in his possession counterfeited currency notes, having knowledge that it is a counterfeit currency and he is intended to use the same as genius currency notes. After receiving this information and completing some formalities, the sub-inspector with police force went to the house of Ramesh Babu. Due to urgency, the police could not obtain the house search warrant from a specific authority. Because in the formalities of obtaining the search warrant, Ramesh Babu might have left his house and might have shifted to some fake place or used the fake notes as genius one. Thirdly, after arriving, the sub-inspector informed Ramesh Babu that his house has to be searched as he has received an information regarding containment of organized offences. After providing intimation, the house of Ramesh Babu was searched as per law. During search, police party found a bundle of packets hidden in a box wrapped in a white cloth of 100 rupees currency notes. On counting, it was a note of 3 lakh rupees. On preliminary inquiry by the sub-inspector, it was found that those notes are not genius one and prescribed silver line and paper was used was of inferior quality and comparison to genius currency. Embossed letters were missing and the color were fake. On the basis of the information and suspicion that the notes were fake, they were seized in presence of local witness. Ramesh Babu was not in position to explain about the possession of the notes. He was arrested and arrest memo was prepared by the police. The case diary was handed over to SDOP, was further investigated on request of the investigating officer. The state bank manager of the local branch inspected the notes. He found that the notes are forfeited and the currency is not genius one and submitted his report with reason. As the investigation was in progress, Ramesh Babu was produced before the local judicial magistrate for judicial remand. After completing the necessary formalities with the magistrate, sent him on judicial remand. During the investigation, the seized notes were sent to the bank note press at Devas MP. For note were sent to bank and the examination and expert opinion was taken. The expert found all the notes of forfeited currency and his report. After the completion of the investigation, charge sheet was filed against Ramesh Babu. After cognizance of the concerned magistrate has permitted to take the case to the session court. My client has filed a claim under the charges of 489 for forfeit currency and under the charge deed with section 489 of IPC for the use of them taken as a genius one. Now prosecution seeks the permission to present the evidence on behalf of prosecution. Sub-Inspector A and SDOP and seized witness C, bank manager PW4 and expert of bank note press Devas E examine all prosecution witnesses, support the prosecution's case and all have presented the report in the proper manner. In cross-examine, seized witness C admitted that at the time of seizing, he has not seen the currency note, but there was something wrapped in the cloth and police was stated in his charge sheet that it is the fake currency note that are taken from the house of the Ramesh Babu. Now prosecution seek the argument for the case. It was the argument of prosecution side that the fake currency note was seized from the possession of the accused in the presence of seized witness. The expert opinion that notes are not genius. Prosecution has proved the case that the notes are already a forfeited currency is given in all the reports that are stated under the charge sheet of the police. Some of the referential cases related to this are of Uncle and Arnav versus the state of West Bengal. Under this case, the Supreme Court has given the verdict that any note that are not of genius quality and are taken in the possession of any person is said to be circumstantial in the case of taking the seize of the notes from the possession of the same person. The second one is Jayesh Kalakal Panchal versus State of Gujarat. The same verdict is given by Supreme Court in the case. And another is Syed Muhammad Nafis versus State of UP. In the case, the UP High Court declared that the note or any currency that is not genius one and that is in the possession of any person who is in the intention of using it for any illegal purpose or the intention to use it as a genius one is a crime under the offence of 489A of IPC.
अभियुक्त का बचाव है कि उसके अधिपति से कोई बरामदगी नहीं हुई है। पुलिस द्वारा उसे झूठा बताया गया है। उक्त दिनांक को वह जबलपुर में अक्टूबर वह अपनी बहन के यहाँ कानपुर में था। बचाव पक्ष की ओर से तर्क दिया गया है कि नोटों के बारे में उसको कोई जानकारी नहीं थी, उसे झूठा फंसाया गया है। उक्त दिनांक को अभियुक्त शहर में नहीं था। इस तथ्य को उसने समुचित साक्ष्य से प्रमाणित किया। उसे दोष मुक्त किए जाने की कृपा करें।
सर, इस बारे में मैं साक्ष्य पुलिस में प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। कहा उसकी बहन है अभियुक्त की, और अभियुक्त की बहन का कथन है कि उस दिनांक को अभियुक्त के घर पर कानपुर में था, उसके कोई अपराध नहीं किया है। इस साक्षी ने परीक्षण में स्वीकार किया है कि जब उसे यह जानकारी मिली कि उसका भाई उस समय उसके घर पर कानपुर में था, साक्षी ने यह भी स्वीकार किया कि उसका भाई कानपुर रेल द्वारा आया था। और सर, इस बारे में केस दिया गया है। बॉम्बे हाईकोर्ट ने एक फैसले में कहा है कि केवल इस आधार पर किसी को सजा नहीं दी जा सकती कि उसके पास जाली नोट मिले हैं। हाईकोर्ट ने यह भी कहा है कि यदि किसी को सजा देनी है तो अभियोग पक्ष को साबित करना चाहिए कि जिस व्यक्ति के पास जाली नोट मिले हैं उसे इस बात की जानकारी होनी चाहिए। और हाईकोर्ट ने इस आधार पर आरोपी को दोषी ठहराते हुए 5 साल की सजा दर्ज किया है। इसलिए सबसे आवेदन है कि सजा
that he is at the home at Kanpur. He is at the home of his sister in the Kanpur. So sister case is not a proper evidence here because it is a relative of the prosecutor. It is the relative of the accused, and she cannot be declared as a not interested witness here. Secondly, as per the possession, the charge sheet of the police is filed as per the possession is taken from the house of accused as the currency is also in the house of the accused, so it is declared that it is in the possession of the same person. Thirdly, as per the thing in the case that a person that is only not knowing the possession of the note in his or the currency in his possession is not the thing, because it is only a hearsay thing and it is not evidented here that the thing you are saying the notes are not in his possession because you don't know about the thing. This is not a thing, because as he is only saying this is not the actual fact that you have proved here. It is not proved till now. So the case is in the side of prosecution. So please accused should be charged with the section 489A of the IPC.